Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be a video of unboxing the Oxlaw USB Type-C hub with 4K HDMI support. Now on the front we have a rather simplistic packaging with just the diagram of the product. On the sides you can see the different interfaces being pointed out. Same goes for the other side as well. On the rear of the packaging you have more details regarding each of the interfaces that go into the hub, as well as the data transfer speeds and any other specifications pertaining to that particular port. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. You have the hub itself, and that's about it. Nothing else comes in the packaging. We'll keep the rear side facing up because all the specifications are stated over here, and it's easier for you to use it for reference. Now the first surface has a USB 3.0 port, a micro SD card reader, a normal SD card reader. On the top surface you have an HDMI port. On the other surface, the longer surface, you have two USB 3.0 ports and one Type-C port. At the end there's also a small pinhole. This might be used for either resetting the device or it might be an LED indicator. And then obviously it uses a Type-C cable to connect the device to your laptop. The packaging also states a set of laptops that it is readily compatible with. It could be compatible with a lot more, but the ones that is mentioned on the packaging is something that you can just blindly go and buy the device for. That's about it for this particular unboxing of the Oxlaw 7-in-1 USB-C hub with 4K HDMI support. Thank you for watching.